Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mama of French Girls. For all my returning subscribers, you are welcome. For all those who are watching me and haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, guys. Happy New Year, guys. So today we are gonna be unboxing a new phone. Yes.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down.
We all know that my iPhone is giving me stress. Yes. So I actually got the Galaxy A53 5 gigs, and yeah, because Digicel in Martinique is no longer doing the A72 like I requested in my birthday gift video. Yeah, and so I needed a white phone, but I couldn't find. So since the person at Digicel watched, because she asked me my date of birth and she saw that my birthday has passed, so I bargained with her and she gifted me this case for my phone. And the phone was actually costing 280 euros with my points, because since I'm a customer to them, so we have points, like not really points but money for the year. I had 140 euros with them for the year, and so they added to the phone, so the phone was 400 and something euros, and with my points, so the phone came to 280 euros, and she actually removed 15 euros from it for me, and she offered me this case. There was 4 colors: yellow, purple and red, so I went for the red. So let's unbox together, guys. This is my iPhone wahala. I cannot cope any longer. This is it in a box. So now I've noticed phones, when you used to buy a phone, it was coming with the charger, the headphones and the phone and all. Well, now Digicel is no longer offering headphones, neither chargers, so you're supposed to buy your own charger. But since at my home there are plenty chargers, so I didn't buy any charger at home. So what is it? Opening. I'm happy, at least for now. This is natural light, the sun. At least for now. My YouTube. I don't think that I will have any complaints now. This is how it is. I'm gonna be putting it. I'm someone who doesn't do more than a year with a phone. I do not know why, but now I will try at least to do a year and plus with a phone, because so off camera I will be exchanging from my iPhone to this Samsung A Galaxy, and I was hesitating between the A53 and the A52s, but there was no more A52s. But this Galaxy A53, the camera, from what I saw, the camera is on point, and I actually asked the girl working there, and she told me yes. Ça passe pas. Ça va pas. Here it is. I'm happy. I actually got a new phone. So you see, the box is empty. It only has, let me see, it only has the cord to charge, but it do not have the head, the adapter or whatever you call it. It do not have the head to charge. So this is how it comes, and the pin right here. And of course you all know that I won't read all this. It is guaranteed for 2 years. So yeah, guys, I don't think that I'll be complaining of do not have enough storage anymore. So yeah. So thank you all so much for watching my video. If you have watched my video till now and you are still watching, you are the real MVPs, you are the real ones. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate. I see you all. I thank you all for stopping by on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share my video, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one, guys. So for now, bye.